ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। To a spiritual aspirant, he is the divine master par excellence. To a rationalist, he is the greatest humanitarian on earth. To thousands of modern youth, he is the leader with a dynamic vision and a colossus of inspiration. To a devotee, he is simply divinity in human form. And to everyone who has had the opportunity to behold him, he is pure love walking on 2 feet. He is none other than our beloved Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Swami was born as Ratnakarapu Satyanarayana Raju on November 23rd, 1926, in the village of Puttaparthi in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Even as a child, his spiritual inclination and contemplative nature set him apart from the children of his age, and he was known as Guru and Brahmajnani among his peers and others in the village. However, it was not until October 20, 1940, the day he made the historic declaration of his avatarhood, that the world at large learned of this divine phenomenon. Swami has said that I have come not to disturb or destroy any faith, but to confirm each in his own faith so that the Christian becomes a better Christian, the Muslim a better Muslim, and the Hindu a better Hindu. In 1944, a mandir for Swami's devotees was constructed near the village of Puttaparthi. Now it is referred as Old Mandir, that is Pathamandiram. The construction of Prashanti Nilayam, the current ashram, was begun in 1948 and was completed in 1950. In 1954, Swami established a free general hospital in the village of Puttaparthi. In 1968, Swami established Satya Mandir or Dharmakshetra in Mumbai. In 1973, he established Shiva Mandir in Hyderabad, and in 1981, he established Sundara Mandir in Chennai. That is Satyam, Shivam, and Sundaram. Swami also established 2 super specialty hospitals, one at Puttaparthi and the other at Bangalore near Whitefield, to benefit the poor. In March 1995, Swami has started a beautiful project, that is to provide drinking water to 1.2 million people in the drought-prone Rayalaseema region in the Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. On November 18th, 1995, Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao, the Prime Minister of India, has inaugurated the Sri Satya Sai drinking water project. Swami expressed his view that all rivers should be made the national property. Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Learning was inaugurated at Prashanti Nilayam on November 22nd, 1981. Swami said, "This is the inaugural day of our institute. It has been planted today. The students are the roots. The tree will grow with branches on all sides. Countless flowers will blossom, and it will provide peace and security to the world. Students must, as the roots do, remain firm and offer sustenance. My entire property consists of my students. I have offered myself to them." Sri Satya Sai Seva organization, founded by Bhagavan in the year 1965. This is a service organization with a spiritual core and based to benefit all human beings irrespective of caste, creed, or sector. Sri Satya Sai Seva organization today has a presence in hundreds of nations in the world, and its members undertake any number of service activities that benefit their immediate community. And they do it selflessly and spontaneously. Sri Satya Sai Seva organization functions under three wings, namely spiritual wing, educational wing, and service wing. These three wings symbolizes worship, wisdom, and work. Spirituality is the motivational force for service, and service is the fulfillment of spirituality. Swami has said that all units must work as a single entity, like the fingers in one's hand. The Seva Samiti is the thumb, the Mahila Vibhag is the pointing finger, the Sevadal is the middle finger, the Bal Vikas is the ring finger, and the little finger is the Bhajan Mandali. The most fundamental objective of this organization laid down by Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba is to awaken in man the awareness of the divinity inherent in him by propagating the basic principles of Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, and Ahimsa. Bhagavan started Bal Vikas in the year 1971, redefining the education system created by him as the system aims at the blossoming of human excellence. Swami says, children's minds are innocent and pure. Each child is like a white marble for the teachers and the parents to sculpt into an image of God, a bud to be helped to blossom in all its divine glory, so that it becomes a worthy offering to God. The schools of today provide physical, intellectual, and emotional growth of the child. Sri Satya Sai Balvikas provides all round development in the child so that he can face the challenges in his life with dignity, confidence, and strong character. Sri Satya Sai Balvikas aims at inculcating good habits in the child so that he grows up into an ideal citizen, an asset not only to his parents but also to the society, nation, and world at large. Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba has thus emerged as a beacon of hope in the world that is desperately seeking an end to the unrest and sorrow prevalent today. His message of love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never is a spiritual salve that will lead mankind from the pain of darkness and ignorance and to the light and bliss of immortality. Indeed, once in a millennium does such a divine being walk the earth. For you and I and all humanity, in spite of the dark clouds hovering on the world's horizon today, there is a silver lining, nay, a golden one. If we seize this rarest of rare opportunities, world peace and harmony, along with our individual emancipation, will no longer be a utopia. It will become as real and universal as the morning sun. Thank you and Jai Sai Ram.